Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure the watch has charge, Bluetooth is on, and the companion app is installed on your phone. Once done, open the app and follow the pairing prompts. This establishes a secure control channel. Make sure you grant location and network permissions when requested, because the phone will often bridge Wi-Fi credentials. If your watch supports LTE, have carrier details or eSIM activation code ready. This moves you from pairing straight. Now you make the actual connection. On the watch, open settings the network or Wi-Fi and scan for your router's SSID. Tap the network and enter the password directly on the watch, or choose the phone's option to share credentials. This is faster and more accurate. For LTE models, follow the carrier activation flow inside the companion app or watch. Add a plan, confirm identity, and let the eSIM provision. Once the watch shows connected, allow a few minutes for services and sync to complete. Finish by verifying the connection. Open an online app like weather or a browser and confirm messages or notifications sync from your phone. Make sure to install any system updates over Wi-Fi to save mobile data. If something fails, try a quick troubleshooting sequence. Toggle airplane mode on then off, restart the watch, and reboot the router. If LTE still fails, confirm your eSIM is active with the carrier. These steps clear common glitches and restore normal connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.